Making a Splash at the Golden Globes. A Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very exciting phrase: Golden Globe debut. Whether you're a movie buff or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. Let's unravel the meaning behind this glamorous phrase and why it holds significance in the entertainment industry. Before we delve into what a debut means in this context, let's first understand what the Golden Globes are. The Golden Globes are an annual award ceremony that recognizes outstanding achievements in both film and television. Hosted by the Hollywood Foreign Press Association, HFPA, it's a night of glitz and glamour where stars from around the globe gather to celebrate artistic excellence. Winning or even being nominated for a Golden Globe is considered a high honor in the entertainment industry. Now, let's break down the word debut. A debut refers to the first time someone or something appears in a public or professional setting. It's a significant moment, marking the introduction of a new face, talent, or creation to the wider world. In the context of the Golden Globes, making a debut can mean a few things. It could be an actor's first nomination or win, a director's first film being recognized, or a television show's first appearance at the awards. Making a Golden Globe debut is a big deal. For individuals and projects, it signifies recognition at an international level, shining a spotlight on their work. It can catapult careers, open doors to new opportunities, and even influence future projects. The media coverage and buzz generated by a debut at the Golden Globes can be a game-changer in the entertainment industry. To bring this concept to life, let's look at some memorable Golden Globe debuts. These could include actors who won awards the first time they were nominated, films that received critical acclaim in their first year of release, or TV shows that made a significant impact during their first appearance at the ceremony. These examples illustrate the wide-ranging impact a debut at the Golden Globes can have on the careers of those involved. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, Golden Globe debut. We hope this video has shed some light on the significance of this exciting event in the entertainment industry and helped you understand why making a debut here is such a coveted achievement. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.